Scotland and other parts of the UK are braced for snowfall with flurries spanning a 436 radius in the coming days, according to forecasters. The wintry weather is set to arrive due to a mild Atlantic front bringing Arctic winds from the north. The chilly gales will move down the country, causing temperatures to plummet, with the cold snap expected to remain with us in the coming weeks. Temperatures are forecast to dip as low as 7°C in parts of Scotland, with snowfall spreading from Inverness down to Reading in England, according to a weather map from WX Charts. The map shows the chance of flurries on November 29, with the wintry showers continuing into next month, as writes the Mirror. As much as 3 centimeters of snow is forecast to fall on December 3 across Scotland. James Madden, from Exacta Weather, said it could get even colder depending on the impact of a sudden stratospheric warming event. It is now increasingly likely that we will see at least 1 to 2 notable wintry blasts from late November and into the first half of December, but it may turn milder or much milder later, he said, reported The Express. However, a sudden stratospheric warming event from later this month and into December could change that outlook to an even colder and more wintry theme for many parts of the country, and would drastically change the overall outlook for December as a whole, particularly during the second half of the month, and increasing our White Christmas chances significantly under such circumstances. Ahead of the snow, gale force winds are expected to impact Scotland, with a Met Office weather warning for wind in place for the Shetland Islands between 10 p.m. on November 23 and 6 a.m. on November 24. Gusts of up to 70 miles per hour are expected across the impacted areas, with the strong winds also spreading over larger areas of the country into the end of this week and through the weekend. Met Office forecaster Claire Nasir noted that overnight cold air streams in and from the north and that wind will have some strength to it, meaning that there could be a widespread frost tomorrow and the risk of wintry showers. Met Office meteorologist Annie Shuttleworth added, some more autumnal sunshine on the card in the next couple of days, but that does come at the expense of some colder air arriving. That air is going to arrive from the Arctic, replacing this milder Atlantic air. You'll also notice that brisk breeze continuing. Some quite strong winds through the east and high ground, but through the North Sea overnight is where we'll really start to see the winds pick up. Some icy patches expected. We could see some wintry showers falling over the hills of Scotland, but for everywhere we will be in that colder air overnight with winds strong overnight. Adding some insight into what we can expect this weekend, she added, temperatures will be lower, particularly across the east coast. And it is the breeze that will really knock down those temperatures. The feels like temperatures will be close to zero if not below in the east. A rather frosty start the weekend with temperatures potentially falling as low as 8°C on Saturday morning.